Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is TIMO TECH Electronics, the best car sound and security system suppliers. So in this video, I'm going to look at these two. So I have Pioneer and this one is an AR brand. The Pioneer it's 4500 watts, while AR it's 4200 watts. So I'm going to see the difference, the comparisons about Pioneer and AR. So let's start with Pioneer, look at it, at its power, its performance, then we come to AR brand. So let's start with the Pioneer. Okay, so Pioneer, it's an active sub, as you can see, sealed system, subwoofer size, it's 39.5 by 8.5 by 9.3 centimeters, as you can see, right? So this is a 12 volt sub. It's supposed 12 to 15.6 volts. That's a maximum voltage can. Okay, let's open it. So the package is very nice, very safe, it's protected, can't be damaged. So as you can see, this is a flat sub. It's 10-inch flat sub Pioneer, very slim. You can put it under seat your car. Yeah. So this one is Pioneer. So this is for the input for AV cables that comes from the stereo. Power goes here. So this is 12 volts positive. This is remote, that's accessor. Then ground, the entire body of the vehicle, as you all know, it's negative. So you can tap anywhere that's negative. Then remote, you can tap from any accessory. This one is permanent, 12 volts, and the fuse, 15 amp fuse. These are the knobs. You can adjust the bass, treble, and gain. You can adjust from there. And this is a cable for the remote control. Yeah, so this is a remote control for the volume. Yeah, so you can plug then you can plug it here. Yeah, then you run it to a suitable position of yours where you can be easily adjust the volume. You increase or you move the volume, as you can see. Yeah, it's very nice. This is Pioneer 4500 watts, as you can see. So you can tell me in comments which one is better between these two, as you will also see the AR 4200 watts. You can comment in the comment section. Yeah, so this one, it's AR 4200 watts max power. So let's see which one is better between the AR and Pioneer. You can let me know in the comment section. This one with 1 year warranty. Yeah. So they all pack safely. It can be easily damaged. As you can see, it's sealed with box, and the plastic also inside, it's covered. No any damage, no any scratch. This is very nice packaging and factory. Yeah. Yeah, so this is AR super bass, as you can see, and this one looks smaller than the Pioneer. So I don't know which one is more louder than the other. Then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the next video, I'll test the sound quality output, so you can let me know which one you prefer between the two, Pioneer and AR. As you can see, yeah. So item name amplifier subwoofer. This is power supply DC 4 volts. Offering its 4 ohms output power. It's 4200 watts as you can see. Yeah. So this one looks slim than that one, and this one looks smaller than that one. So which one is better? Which one is your choice? Which one can you use? You can let me know in the comment section. So they also have a remote controller. So this is a remote controller for the volume. This is the brackets you can mount it anywhere you want. This cable is for the output sound. Yeah, so this is the knob. You decrease or increase the volume. So let me put this one. Okay, so as you can see, between these two, with your observation, which one do you prefer between Pioneer and AR, and which one looks better? So this one looks bigger than this one. I don't know how you are seeing it. Yeah, this one is bigger than this one. This one is smaller, and this one is heavier than this one. Yeah, so which one is bigger? As you can see, this one is heavy. So don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we will now test the output sound quality. We see which one is more powerful than the other between Pioneer and AR Super Bass. This is TIMO TECH Electronics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.